live, we go live, we go live. Increase your sales, number one. Those things are gonna increase your feedback even. Do you know how to increase the feedback? 3 strategies to implement right now. The strategy, nobody teaches this. I know, because this is the unique, this is my way of doing things. And when I'm going to teach you this strategy, I will show you the strategy, you will understand why some people have sales on eBay and why some people have, or most of the people don't have a sales on eBay. Just watch the strategy. One single strategy can change everything. One single strategy can change everything. How do I know this? Because if that would be taught out there somewhere, the people would be having results. Some people have the results, of course, but only few people have results because nobody does this. You have to understand how it is. Now, the number one thing what you have to understand, guys, is, you see what time is now. Now is the time that everybody is so crazy. Sales are crazy, buyers are crazy. There is a competition crazy out there. Crazy competition. If you want to sell something, everybody is selling already. Already that stuff everybody is selling, okay? So now, let me give you one example. Well, in the first, let me give you just the title. What would be the title? How to reduce competition. Booms. On my screen here, I will gonna open how to reduce competition, because when you want to sell this one, when you want to list your product out there on eBay, you want to have what? The high competition or low competition, right? Okay, let me just take example. I will on my big screen. I will gonna open eBay. eBay.com. All right. ebay.com. ebay.com. Okay, when I go to ebay.com and I type in ebay.com, I type in, let's say, coffee table. Let's take coffee table. Okay, coffee table. If I want to sell coffee table, just for example, it doesn't matter, you can put your product in there, just do the same if you want, just whatever you try, or last product, you take your last product you just listed. Okay, coffee table. You type in your eBay right now if you want to follow me. You type in, not coffee table. Don't type coffee table. I just use the example here. Coffee table. You type your latest, what you listed there, latest. Okay. I just use, for example, if I type coffee table here, what I see on my screen is 31,255 results for coffee table on eBay. Okay, not on Google, on eBay. Which means this is a super freaking high, 10 times super high competition. I need to sell my coffee table and compete with the 30,000 people. And I can see this in the search result on eBay, right? That's not smart. Okay, let's do smart way. What's the smart way? Coffee table for living room. Okay, cool. For living room, let's just let's say make long tail keyword. Narrow down. Okay, coffee table, and you do the same with your product. Coffee table for living room. Okay, good. Boom. Enter. Come on. Obama. 1,182 results for coffee table for living room. Now, okay, it's not 30,000, it's still 1,100, right? It's 1,182 people. I need to compete. My keywords, if I will ever put the keyword combination, coffee table for living room, okay? If I were gonna use those keywords somewhere in my listing, coffee table, let's say in a title, okay? Those keywords will gonna compete with more than 1,000 people out there. How do you think you can sell it? Because this is what it means. It means high competition, low ranking. Because those coffee table for living room, this is the high competition. Now, the title for this number one tip was what? Was how to reduce competition, right? Title was for this one. Cool. How to reduce competition, because competition is so high. And with this one to competing, I don't care what price you are selling, because how can possibly me, let's say me, and you want to sell your coffee table. I just typed it in here, coffee table for living room. Now I have to find out you who is selling coffee table between 1,182 people. It's annoying, but there is a thing, okay? Because high competition, okay, somebody is selling, right? Somebody is selling them. Somebody is selling, okay? But you see what the problem is? You don't want to be somebody who is selling, because the most dropshippers are not in position to compete with the high products, with the high hot selling products. Go to watch my video about the hot selling products, okay? I will put the link later on here. There will gonna be a link for hot selling products, okay? No, this is bad idea, very bad idea. High competition, you will gonna get low ranking almost always. If you are just beginner, I means under 200 feedbacks, okay, positive feedbacks, you are somewhere below, okay? Title was what? How to reduce competition. How to reduce competition, how to get this number down, 100, 182. And there is a point, there is a very important point. You don't need, you don't want to miss that point, okay? I'm just thinking, how can I reduce? Coffee table for living room, coffee table, if I selling coffee table for living room, coffee table for apartment, okay? Coffee table for apartment. Because coffee table for apartment, because you see in America, they have big houses. Americans have big houses, okay? And then apartments and studios. You can, let's try studio, okay? Coffee table for, instead of living room, coffee table for studio. What that would be, studio. Bow. Oh my gosh, boo. 8 results, 8, okay, 8. Only 8 other people. Only 8 other people. Why studio? Because studio is small. Studio is where you have a kitchenette and a living room and bedroom in the same place. Okay, it's a small place. Studio. Okay, you can put coffee table for studio. You're still selling coffee table, but for studio. You think nobody is watching for coffee table for studio? Okay, go to the Google. You can go to the Google and find out in the Google keywords, free keywords on the Google. Okay, if there is a coffee, if there is coffee table studio, coffee table for studio apartment, one more word is given to me by Google, which means coffee table for studio, coffee table for studio apartment, small coffee table for studio apartment, best coffee table for studio apartment, coffee table studio MCG, I don't know what it is, in a search bar, looking for this. Okay, nobody is selling them. Okay, now the thing is here. You have to think how you can separate yourself from everybody else, because there is a law. This law is a law. You cannot do anything with the law. The law is very simple. If you will gonna be doing what everybody else is doing, you will gonna be getting the same results what everybody else is getting. If you will gonna be making the same pictures what everybody else is making, you will gonna make the same money what everybody else is making. What everybody else is making, close to zero. If you will gonna do the same titles what everybody else is, you will gonna be like everybody else. If you do like everybody else, you get like everybody else. Bravo. Now, if you want to make money, you have to be original. You have to be outstanding, because I am the buyer. I'm coming to eBay, okay? And I type it in coffee table. And now I'm looking to those pictures. Those pictures are the same. Everybody is selling the same pictures. How can you grab people's attention? How can you grab people's attention if you do the same stuff? Think, people, think a little bit. Why dropshippers out there, why they are not making money? Because they are doing the same stuff over and over again. Somebody did it, I do the same. Somebody did, I do the same. I know you don't do the same. At least you don't want to do the same because you are here. Okay, you want to learn something. We make money because we make titles different, because we make pictures different, because we put our keywords different. We do not put coffee table for living room. We use to separate ourselves too, not to the high competition, but we put ourselves to the low competition keywords. We look there, hey, everybody else is going for coffee table for living room. Good luck. We are going for coffee table for apartment studio or studio apartment, because there is no competition. There is low competition, and in low competition you want to be in high rank in low competition. You don't want to be in a high competition low rank, because when you are low rank, nobody can see you. Nobody can see you. You see, nobody can see you. I can't see you where you are. Okay, so this is low rank. Okay, you want to be low competition, high rank. Okay, high rank. Everybody can see you. That's what you want to do if you want to sell like this, every day, like this. And those people, they will be wondering and screaming why it's not selling. I don't know why it's not. I think dropshipping is not working. Dropshipping is not working. It's so bad. It's so bad. I need another tool. Do you know something? Some tool? Where is some tool? Facebook group? Tell me some tool. What you use? Some software. Those people are crazy, screaming because they don't do the job. This is your blueprint here.